Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Making Home with Megan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy apple crisp. This is a delicious dessert to make on a cold fall night. To get started, you will need 6 apples. I'm using Granny Smith because I think that they bake up the best. You will need 3/4 a cup of old-fashioned oats, 3/4 a cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of light brown sugar. You will also need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon divided, and a pinch of sea salt. You'll also need a 1/2 cup of cold cut butter. The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to peel, core, and cut up your apples into even pieces. Next, you're going to be tossing your apples in half of the cinnamon, the sugar, and your pinch of sea salt. Place your apples in a greased 8x8 pan or a round pan like I used, and in a mixing bowl, using a pastry cutter, cut your cold butter into the brown sugar, the flour, the oats, and the remaining cinnamon. If you don't have a pastry cutter, you can use 2 forks or you can even use your hands. Do this until the mixture is crumbly. Once crumbly, place it on top of your apples and pat it down so that it's covering them evenly. You're going to bake this in your oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Here's mine fresh out of the oven, and this is going to make your house smell amazing. Here's my bowl of dessert. I decided to top mine off with some vanilla ice cream. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I really do hope you try this recipe out, and I think you'll love it. Take care.